Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you my Maserati, and I'm going to replace fog light, and I'm going to replace with the LED. And this is the original OEM bulb, and we're going to replace with LED. And let me show you, it's very easy and a simple DIY, and without wasting in time, let's get started. In order to work on the lights, it's all under the fender wall. First step will be the jacking up the car and removing the wheel. First we're going to loosen the lug nut, then we're going to place the jack. I'll do the same thing with all of these. So this is the last one. So once we remove it, now we're going to take out the wheel. Now we're going to remove many screws. Screws here, then we're going to remove this screw on this side, then some on this side, then we're going to remove these, the push pin on the top as well. So we're going to work around. After removing all those screws and push pins, now the wheel well come out from this side and it's dropped down, and now we're going to pull it out. This is the cap, clamp on this side, one clamp on this side. Once it's removed, this will drop down and then you pull it out. This is the box, and that is the fog light. In order to remove the fog light, there are two clips. The first one on the top, you press it and you push up. The bottom one, you press it, you push down again, and it will open up. And I'm going to turn off the light and I'll open it. Press it and pull up. Press it, pull down, and it opens. This is the bulb comes out. This is the fog light. We're going to pull this one, and this is the sleeving. We're going to save it, and this is the new LED bulb we're going to replace with. This is the LED. You take out the sleeving from other one, then you put it in and you push it down all the way, just like this. Then, and you put it like this, and then we push the sleeving on top. This is it, and let me test it. So now I'm going to turn the LED lights on, and this is how bright the fog LED light looks. That's how simple to change the fog light. It's very simple DIY, but it brings the outlook of your car. The same way I'm going to change it on the other side. And if you like this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And in case if you want to upgrade yours, I will list the part number under my description, so please check it out. For more videos, please check it out my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.